Just a little explanation of our kits with a video. So we've got 7 varieties of this Micrology kit. It comes sealed. I've just done that for filming purposes. And it comes with 4 blocks of organic peat-free coir. So you can grow 4 pots using the tin and the lid, using the videos available on YouTube, or following the guidance of our instructions. And they will regrow, so you'll get sort of 8 grows. Again, they will keep regrowing, it'll just be sparser each time. These seeds have about 3,000 seeds in each one, so you'll see in there. That's a little spoon for measuring that out and following the guidance, and obviously really clear instructions here, and then a link to the videos here as well. So that's our Micrology kit.